Encountering the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error on Windows 10 or 11? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you 3 quick and effective fixes to resolve this issue. Go to the File Explorer. Right-click on your drive and click Properties. Click Tools tab. Click on Check Finally, click on Scan, and let it check and fix any errors in the disk. Open Command Prompt as Administrator, as explained in Solution 1, and type the following command. CHKDSK D.F/R, replace D with your drive letter. When you press Enter after the command, it would prompt whether you are sure that you wish to run the CHKDSK command. Type Y to represent yes and press Enter. The CHKDSK scan would run after you restart the system. In case of eternal drives like a USB drive, to check whether the issue is with the system or the drive itself, try connecting the external disk to a different system and check if it works fine. If it doesn't, try replacing the connecting cables, in case it uses USB port cables to connect to the system, and check if it works after that. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.